When it comes to wastewater treatment, effective clear water sludge separation is essential. Hi, I'm Tony Mishak, Process Equipment Manager at Tsurumi Pump. In this video today, we're going to discuss Tsurumi's line of decanters. Tsurumi's FHP floating decanters are used in the final stages of wastewater treatment to discharge supernatant clear water in sedimentation tank or sludge thickening settling tanks, also used especially in sequencing batch reactors. FHP has a reinforced plastic float, which allows the submersible pump to adjust the position according to the fluctuating water level. This is particularly important to keep the pump at the surface level when pumping out clear supernatant water, which is free of precipitate and other settled solids. Tsurumi provides an anti-sludge sensor in FHP for automatic sensing of the sludge around the vicinity of the pump suction. As the function of the FHP is to discharge clear supernatant water free from sediment, it is essential to ascertain that sludge does not enter into the pump along with the supernatant liquid. To that end, the anti-sludge sensor in FHP identifies the presence of sludge and differentiates it according to the amount of light that it senses. It sends a signal to the control panel to stop the pump. This sensor comes with a sensor cleaner which will prevent any sludge from obstructing it. Whether you're operating a municipal plant or treating industrial wastewater, the FHP delivers reliable, clear water separation and sludge thickening with minimal maintenance. Contact us at tsurumipump.com or visit our team at booth 2416 at WEFTEC to learn more about decanting.